Hi guys, welcome to TechnoHow Technologies. Today we're going to be taking a look at creating a Windows bootable USB drive. This comes in handy if you want to install, upgrade, or troubleshoot your PC. So let's get started. First things first, after you insert your USB, you're going to want to right click and just go ahead and format right away. If there's anything already on it, make sure you back it up. So do quick format, click start, click OK. Alright, that's done already. You're going to want to open up your disk management. Come in here and make sure it's marked as active primary partition. If it's not, you right click and mark partition as active. This is a very important step. If you do not do this, you will not be able to boot from the USB. So mine's already active because I've already done this before. So if you have any questions on how to add this disk management into the Microsoft Management Console, please refer to my other videos on configuring or setting up Microsoft Management Console or MMC. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and minimize that. Now I have my ISO sitting, yep, it's right here. So we're going to right click on that, click mount, and here's all the stuff that we need. All the folders and files and everything in it that we need. So we're going to copy that, go back to this PC, go into your flash drive, and paste. That's about it. Once that's done copying over, you will now have a bootable USB drive that you can troubleshoot, install, upgrade to your PC. Now, don't forget when you're booting up your computer, during the boot phase, you're going to have to hit F2, F8, F10, F12, whatever your PC is, to make sure that you're changing to the boot order or selecting the boot device that you want to boot from. And you're going to want to select USB, obviously, because it's on the USB, and then go from there. So that about wraps it up. Please follow me on Twitter at mrdoll2. Please like and subscribe, and please post any questions that you may have below. Thanks for watching.